How to log into your Accenture Workday account online. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your Accenture Workday online. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you guys didn't know, Accenture Workday is a cloud-based platform that provides tools for human resource, payroll, finance, and workforce management as well. The app offers features like employee self-service, time tracking, expense reporting, benefit management, and career development resources. Designed for both employees and manager, it simplifies tasks such as updating personal information, accessing payslips, and managing team workflows. All of this in a user-friendly interface accessible from desktop or mobile devices. So the first thing you need to do is search for Accenture Workday on any of your web browser. And once you open it up, what you need to do is if you want to log in, you will find the application part right here. You can go ahead and search for login right here, and then it will show you the login portal for it. Open up the first link that you see, and on the very top right corner, you'll have an option to sign in. So just tap on it and it will pop out another login portal. Here you will just have to enter your email address and then your password. Once you have done that, make sure your login credentials are correct. And then you just have to tap on sign in to simply log into your account. And if you're new here, you can just create an account from here by signing up for it. And if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it by sending a reset link to your email. And that's how you easily sign into your Accenture Workday. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.